Alright guys, so Steve, I'm back again. This is my actual wife's account, the Robinson, that's our last name, account, and it also got the champion one. This is the one with only 300 power. My main account has 1,500,000 power, something like that. So we'll go ahead and see if this one gets any cool cards to help out with that. If not, hopefully it gets me maybe enough rares to where I'll go ahead and purchase some and push them up into the other levels. I forgot this team does have one level 7, the Death team, which isn't maybe the strongest team in the world, but they're getting better. Oh, wow, double golds. That was actually kind of funny to see. Wow, another gold. I guess that's one way to get some extra power. Wow, another gold. I mean, they're all common, but that's a lot of gold. Oh, first legendary of the night. Wow, another gold. This is getting kind of crazy. I've never seen that many golds. There's that epic again. That is like, I hit this at a pretty decent time. 2 packs too. Let's see here. Wow. That was I saw one. Wow, that was a fun set there. Let's take one last look here. I see, yeah, I saw 253 here. There's another pack there. There's a rare. There's an epic. Gold common number 1. Pack number 2. Gold common 2. Gold common 3. Gold common 4. Gold common 5. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I have to admit that was pretty good, and I still have a couple packs, so I'll go ahead and open those. It's a good night of packs. See, these accounts are building these up. A lot more gold than legendary, but let's go ahead and open these. I know some people think maybe just hold on to your packs. Maybe I'll start doing that when Untamed is a little closer to selling out if the game's still going well. But for now, I like to open them. I like to roll that dice on this. Bam! Scale Doctor. I actually need more of that card, so I'll take it even if it's not the best one of the set. Obviously, right now, we're all hunting the legendary summoners because those are great cards to add to your team. But hey, anytime you get an extra legendary on the night, things are good, right? All right, everybody. Those is more rewards, right? That's why we play the game. Talk to you later. Bye.